Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Hey, how are you today?
I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
Very good. That's good to hear that you are happy, you're good, you're great. Okay, let's sing a song a little bit more. Okay, sing with teacher.
When we walk to the left and we walk to the right, and we walk and we walk and we walk all day, with a heel and a two and a halfway run, with a heel and a two and a newfound friend. I want to be your friend a little bit more. I want to be your friend a little bit more. I want to be your friend a little bit more. A little bit, a little bit more.
Again.
When we walk to the left and we walk to the right, and we walk and we walk and we walk all day, with a heel and a two and a halfway run, with a heel and a two and a newfound friend. I want to be your friend a little bit more. I want to be your friend a little bit more. I want to be your friend a little bit more. A little bit, a little bit, a little bit more.
Okay, let's sing mathematics. Oh, if you love mathematics, okay? If you love mathematics, clap your hands. If you love mathematics, clap your hands. If you love mathematics, if you love mathematics, if you love mathematics, clap your hands. Sing with me. If you love mathematics,
Mathematics,
you love mathematics.
and your feet.
If you love
Mathematics. If you love mathematics, if you love mathematics, and your feet.
if you love mathematics, shout
Mathematics,
hooray.
and hooray!
If you love mathematics, shout hooray.
Hooray!
If you love mathematics, if
Mathematics.
you
If
love
you love
mathematics,
mathematics,
if you
if you
love
love
mathematics, shout
mathematics,
hooray.
hooray!
If you love mathematics, go on three.
Hooray!
If you love mathematics, go on three. Hooray!
Hooray!
Love mathematics.
If you love mathematics, if you love
mathematics, go
mathematics,
on three. Hooray!
hooray!
Hooray! Okay.
Hooray!
So, let's start with our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, very good. So, our subject is mathematics. Teacher Yin is here already. Do you notice Teacher Yin? Is she here? Not here. Okay. So let's continue our lesson about properties of quadrilaterals. Everybody read. Properties
Properties of
of quadrilaterals.
quadrilateral.
Okay, so today we're going to learn properties of quadrilaterals. What is quadrilateral? Okay, read. What is quadrilateral? A
A
quadrilateral
quadrilateral is a
dimensional
two-dimensional
figure,
figure with four
four
sides
sides,
and
and
four
four angles.
angles.
Okay, so a quadrilateral is a two-dimensional figure with four sides and four angles. The word part, quad, means four, and lateral means side. Okay, what is quadrilateral? Look around you. Do you see shapes in this room that could be called quadrilaterals? Okay, look at these pictures. When you look around your room or around your house, do you see things like quadrilaterals? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. When you say quadrilaterals, shape that has 4 sides. Example like this on the floor. It's you can see here quadrilateral on the floor. Look at the house. Look at the shape of the house. It is quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. And look at this one also, oval. Wait, someone wants to join the meeting. Okay, look at the oven. Is it quadrilateral? The oven?
Yes.
Yes, it's quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals in the real world. Okay, do. Biscuit. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Table. Look at the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. What do you think the name of this shape? The table. Look at the table. Do you know what kind of shape is that? Huh? It's a what kind of shape do you think is the table? It's trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
It's an isosceles trapezoid. How about this one on the lane? Look at this. What kind of shape do you think is this? This yellow?
Parallelogram.
Very good. It's a parallelogram. Can I?
Yes.
Parallelogram. Good. How about this? What do you think is this shape? It's a
Rectangle.
very good. It's a rectangle. So when you say types of quadrilaterals, we have, everybody let us read. Square,
Square. Rectangle. Trapezoid. Rhombus.
rhombus,
Parallelogram.
and
Kite.
okay, so what we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have only 6. I think they forgot to write here. What they forgot to write in here? Last time you copied 7,ใช่ไหม? But this in here we have only 6. I think the inverted kite, but it's the same with kite. Okay, now vocabulary words. Please write down these words on your math notebook. Okay, but before that, let us read. First word, parallel.
Parallel.
Parallel, tawa alay.
ขนาน
ขนาน
Okay, next word is
perpendicular
perpendicular
okay, perpendicular, tawa alay.
ตั้ง
ตั้ง
ฉาก
ฉาก
Do you think it's correct? Perpendicular translation,
not
correct?
sure
Not
yes
sure.
I'm think correct
Okay. Next word is congruent. Congruent.
congruent
Congruent, tawa.
สอดค
สอด
ล้อ
คล้อง
ง Do you think it's correct?
not sure
Not
Not
sure
And next is angle.
angle
Angle, tawa alay.
มุม
มุม
Okay. Correct?
yes
yes
Okay. And the last word is opposite.
opposite
opposite
Yeah.
ตรงข้า
ตร
ม
งข้าม
Correct?
yes
yes
Okay. Please write it down on your math notebook. I will give you 3 minutes. See, right? Three minutes. At exactly 1:23, you must be done. Parallel, perpendicular, congruent, angle, opposite. How many minutes do you have? 1 minute more. 1 minute more. Make sure you are copying these words. Done?
No.
What word are you now?
Opposite.
Opposite.
Finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Wow. Okay. How about you, fellow student? Are you done? Who is not yet done? Who is not yet done? Okay, so no one is answering. Let us proceed. A square. Okay, let us read a square,
Square is
quadrilateral
quadrilateral
with
with
four
four
equal
equal sides and four
right
right
angles.
angles.
So let's write. Let's identify where is the four equal side. So when you say four equal side, 1, 2, 3, 4. These four sides are equal. ใช่ไหม? They have the same length, equal. And also there are four right angles. Where is the four right angles? Let's find. So here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you say right angle, what is the measure of right angle? What is the measure of right angle? It is 90
Degrees.
degrees. When you say right angle, it has four right angle. and 4 equal sides. Okay? Remember, that's a square. Okay, how about a rectangle? Okay, let us read. A rectangle
A rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. Its opposite sides are equal and
parallel.
parallel.
So a rectangle is a quadrilateral with 4 right angles. Let's find the 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it has 4 right angles. And its opposite sides are equal. So this side and the opposite side is equal or congruent. ใช่ไหม congruent แปลว่าอะไร congruent แปลว่า congruent แปลว่า what is congruent read this congruent แปลว่า
สอดคล้อง
when you say congruent identical they are the same ใช่ไหม the same okay and also the opposite this opposite side and this are congruent also okay two opposite sides are parallel or congruent okay is a square rectangle yes or no can we call a square rectangle yes we can call a square rectangle but can we call a square can we call a rectangle as a square no we cannot call a rectangle as square okay let us read a square can also
A square can also be called a rectangle because it has four right angles and its opposite sides are equal and parallel.
but a rectangle
A rectangle is not a square because it
does
does not have equal sides.
ใช่ we cannot say rectangle as a square because square has equal sides and rectangle doesn't have equal sides only two opposite sides okay next a trapezoid okay read a trapezoid
A trapezoid is a
quadrilateral
quadrilateral that has
exactly
exactly
one pair
one pair of parallel sides.
okay only one exact pair of parallel only one okay this side and this side is parallel not this side and not this side not parallel okay only one is this a trapezoid question is this a trapezoid yes or no yes or no is this a trapezoid
Yes.
yes very good It is a trapezoid because it has one pair parallel side. See my? This side and this side are parallel, right? Yes, it has one set of parallel side. A parallel. Parallel pewa alay? What is parallel? Parallel pewa. Read your notebook. Parallel pewa.
Khanan.
Kanan. Okay. A rhombus. We look at the rhombus. A rhombus is quadrilateral. Okay, read. Students read.
A rhombus is a quadrilateral that has four equal sides. Its opposite sides are parallel.
Okay, a rhombus is a quadrilateral that has four equal sides. Its opposite sides are parallel. Okay, four equal sides. And then four, and the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, let's count. This side, and this side, and this side are congruent, and the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, a parallelogram. A parallelogram,
A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides.
that are
Sides that
equal,
are equal is parallel.
parallel. Which
Which of the quadrilateral we have seen are parallelogram?
parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Okay, let's find out. Okay, remember a parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are equal and parallel. What shape is this? It is a, what shape is this? Hello, student.
Square.
It's a square.
Square.
Okay, it's a square. So choose. Is it a parallelogram or it's not a parallelogram? A square. A square.
Is a parallelogram.
Okay, it's
Parallelogram.
a parallelogram. Right. It is a parallelogram. We cannot choose. Cannot choose. Okay. It's now if we are going to write diagonals, let's try to draw diagonals. Draw a line. Oh, not straight. When you say making diagonal, we're going to start from the angle, Shimay. When we draw diagonal. Oh, yeah, ma. It's hard to draw a line. Diagonal. Oy, what happened? Okay. What is teacher doing? Teacher is making diagonal. Okay. So, look at this diagonal. Last time, I already teach you perpendicular, intersecting, and parallel. When you say parallel, they will not intersect. When you say perpendicular, the line will create angle. Chimay, the intersecting line will create angle, a right angle. Chimay, 90 degrees. When you say intersecting, just intersecting, not creating 90 degrees. Okay, look at the square. Look at the diagonal. What kind of line intersects? Perpendicular, intersecting line, or parallel line? What do you think? I will make it again so that it's clear. Students,
Again, teacher.
okay, wait. Where is cartoon? Cartoon, where are you? Okay, wait. I will make it straight. Okay, very good. So, when you say perpendicular, perpendicular, perpendicular line, the diagonal line will create 90 degree. Ani, it will create 90-degree angle inside. Ani ngay? 90 degrees. Say may?
Yes.
Okay. When you say parallel line, just straight. They will not intersect. Say may? When you say intersecting line, just like this. Just intersect the line. Okay, now look at the square, diagonal. What do you think? Perpendicular line, parallel line, or intersecting line? This.
perpendicular,
Okay, so a square has perpendicular
Line.
line. Chai, it creates right angle. May 90
90
degrees.
degree,
Chai, perpendicular line. Okay, a square is, or a square has perpendicular line. Okay, look at this. What shape is this?
rectangle,
Rectangle.
Okay, a rectangle. Is a rectangle parallelogram or it's not a parallelogram?
parallelogram,
Parallelogram.
Okay, it is a
parallelogram,
parallelogram. Let's let's answer. Okay, this. The answer is it is a parallelogram. Let's make a line, diagonal line. When you're going to write diagonal, start from the angle and draw a line in the opposite angle. Wait. Wait. It's not good. Teacher is not good in making lines. Ay. Okay, now the question is, look at the diagonal line. Is it perpendicular, parallel, or intersecting line? Is it perpendicular line, parallel line, or intersecting line?
Intersecting.
Tamay. Because,
Don't make right angle.
why? Very good. It is intersecting line because it doesn't create right angle. When you say right angle, it has 90, it measures 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Right, so this one is not perpendicular, just intersecting lines. Okay, next. Oh, what kind of shape is this? It's a
Trapezoid.
It's a trapezoid. In American English, they called it trapezoid, but in British English, they called it trapezium. Okay? British English, they called it trapezium, but in American English, we called it trapezoid. Okay. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are equal and parallel. So, trapezoid, is it parallelogram or not parallelogram? Choose.
It is a parallelogram.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. It is not. Your answer it is not,ใช่ไหม? Very good. It is not.
Why, teacher?
Why? Because a parallelogram has opposite equal sides. Okay, look at this. This is not equal,ใช่ไหม? Not congruent. They are parallel but not equal. Look at this. It is short and this one is long. ใช่ไหม? This one also. This side and this side has the same length but not parallel. This side and this side is parallel but not congruent. Tamay. This one is short and this one is long. Okay? So this is not a parallelogram. But if we're going to write diagonals, this side to the opposite side and this side to the opposite side. So, what line is it on the trapezoid? Is it perpendicular line, parallel line, or intersecting line? Hello? Is it perpendicular?
Intersecting.
Okay, it is intersecting line, not perpendicular line. What shape is this? What shape is this? It's a... What do you think this shape is this? It's a...
Parallelogram.
Another term for parallelogram. There's another shape for this.
Rhombus.
Yes, it's a rhombus. Okay. Is it a parallelogram or not parallelogram? What do you think? It is? It is a parallelogram. Tamay. Why? Why we can say it is a parallelogram? Because all sides are
Equal.
equal. Right. All sides are equal. And opposite sides are parallel too. See may? Okay, now if we're going to draw a line, diagonal line, let's see what we can form. Oy. Is teacher in here now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Opposite angles. Wait, my line is not good. Okay, so the question, is it perpendicular line, parallel line, or intersecting line? What do you think? You choose.
Perpendicular.
Let's draw again. It's not so nice. Okay, so it has perpendicular line. When you say perpendicular, it has right angle, 90 degrees. Maybe you cannot see that it's right angle because Teacher Mary not good in writing or drawing lines, but it is perpendicular. Okay, next. Oh, here, look at the diagram for quadrilateral. Okay, under parallelogram, you can see rectangle and rhombus. Under rhombus and rectangle, you can see the square. We forgot to write here the kite. See my kite. Kite is not here. Okay, let us read this one. Okay, a square.
A square can also be called a rhombus, a rectangle, a parallelogram, and a quadrilateral.
Okay, so look at this one, a square. We can call a square rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram, and quadrilateral. Okay, we can call the square because square is under of all these shapes. Next, a rectangle.
A rectangle can also be called a parallelogram and a quadrilateral.
Okay, so look at the rectangle. A rectangle can also be called a parallelogram and quadrilateral. And then rhombus. Rhombus
Rhombus can also hold and also
also be called,
a rhombus can also be called a parallelogram and a quadrilateral.
Okay, so rhombus can also be called as parallelogram and quadrilaterals. And then the last one, a parallelogram.
A parallelogram can also be called a quadrilateral.
ใช่ A parallelogram can also be called a quadrilateral. And a trapezoid. A trapezoid
A
is,
trapezoid is a quadrilateral.
okay, so this one, the trapezoid. What? Name that quadrilateral. What is the best name for it? Okay, what do you call for this? Shape. It is a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Right. It is a parallelogram. What are the properties? Opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are parallel. So this side and this side has the same length. The same length. And this side and also this side has the same length and parallel. Okay? Parallelogram. How about this? Name that quadrilateral. What is the best name for it? What can we call for this what can we call for this quadrilateral? It is a
Trapezoid.
Very good. It is a trapezoid. So what are the properties of trapezoid? Only one pair is parallel. This one and this one is parallel. ใช่ไหม? When you say trapezoid, only one pair or only one pair side is parallel. Trapezoid. Okay, name that quadrilateral. What is the best name for it? It's a square. Obviously, it's a square. What are the properties of square? 4 equal.
4 equal sides.
Right, 4 equal sides. And 4 right angle. 4 right angle. What is the best name for it? What kind of quadrilateral is this? It's a lie.
Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. 4 right angles. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, it has 4 right angles. And this one, what is this? It's a
Rhombus.
It's a rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? 4
4 equal sides.
and opposite sides are
Parallel.
They're almost the same with the square. ใช่ไหม? Okay. Questions?
Don't have.
Don't have. Easy?
Yes.
Easy. Okay, let's ask teacher Yin. Oh, 6 minutes
สวัสดี
left.
ค่ะได้ยินครูไหม
ได้ยินค่ะ
เจนเนาะเดี๋ยวจริงๆวันนี้มันมีใบงานแต่ว่าเรายังไม่ได้ใบงานนักเรียนจะทำในกระดาษหรือว่าจะรอใบงาน